Welcome back, guys. Before you spend money on any online earning course, give me just 6 minutes. Because today I'm going to show you a real online marketing skill that beginners can start learning with zero investment. This is not a shortcut to instant money. This is not a fake earning trick. It's a real skill used by affiliate and CPA marketers around the world. I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. I'll show you my real payment proof, my campaign performance. And at the end of this video, I'll also invite you to my free Telegram community where I'll help beginners. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser, search for CPA Grip, open the official website. Now click on Sign Up. Fill in your real details. Use your real email address. Choose a strong password. Complete the registration process. After your account is approved, simply log into your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Don't worry if it looks confusing. You don't need to learn everything today. We only need one section. Click on Offers. Here you'll find different campaigns. Every offer has different countries, different requirements, and different payout amounts. Before choosing any offer, always read the offer description carefully. Now choose a beginner-friendly offer that matches your audience. The important thing is to understand which country the offer is available in, what kind of action is required, whether there are any restrictions. Don't choose an offer just because it shows a higher payout. Read the details first and make sure you understand the campaign. The next step is creating content. Instead of posting random links, focus on creating something useful that explains the offer or solves a problem for your audience. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write clear, informative content. The goal is to help people understand what they're clicking on, not to mislead them. Good content builds trust, and trust is what helps you grow over time. Now let's talk about one important thing. Getting approved on a CPA network is only the first step. The real work starts after that. You need content that people actually find useful and want to engage with. For example, if you're creating content around an offer, think about what information would genuinely help your audience understand that topic. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you write clear, beginner-friendly content, but always review and improve it before publishing. Once your content is ready, you can share it through social media platforms where educational content performs well, provided you follow each platform's rules and the CPA network's terms. The goal is not to spam links. The goal is to build trust by sharing useful information that matches what people are looking for. After publishing, keep an eye on your dashboard and reports. Over time, you'll learn which type of content connects best with your audience, and you can keep improving from there. Now let's answer the biggest question. Does CPA marketing actually work? This is my payment proof. These are some of my campaign results. I'm sharing these only to show my own experience. Your results can be different depending on your effort, the quality of your content, and how consistently you learn and improve. If you're serious about learning, I've created a free Telegram community. There's no paid course, no hidden charges. We'll learn together. I'll share updates, answer beginner questions, and help you avoid common mistakes. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, join our free Telegram community, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.